What'd you find? Let's see. Abigail, here's your chips. What'd you find?
Quiapo.
What is it?
Market in Manila. It's a bustling outdoor market.
Oh, Quiapo.
Filipino street food.
Oh,
I
yeah.
started off with these
Ooh.
60-cent deep-fried orange balls.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I want some. Wanna go Philippines? I wanna go Philippines.
Salt and vinegar?
Yeah. Balut. Yeah. Oh, I put butter. Put butter and
Oh,
cheese.
Oh, that's cheese.
I just corn with cheese. Gulaman. Oh yes. Oh, this one I would eat it.
That's a lot of
Yeah.
onion.
It's like a
I would
squid.
eat
Yes.
it.
Chewy squid.
Is that the
Wow.
dirty ice cream?
Yeah. They call it dirty ice cream. It's not really dirty ice cream. They call it dirty ice cream because it's sold on the streets. That's why it's called dirty ice cream. But oh my goodness. So yeah. It's clean. Guarantee you, it's clean. It's just sold on the streets. That's why it's called dirty ice cream. So I'm gonna have my banana because earlier this afternoon I went to the gym and I did a lot of errands today. Cleaned the house, washed my car, washed the van.
Is taho for 100 pesos expensive?
Yes,
He's having one in Boracay for 100 pesos.
that's crazy. Taho for 100 pesos. Mahal, you can get taho for 10 pesos.
Okay, hold on.
Oh yeah, well, it's in Boracay. 10 pesos or 20 pesos. Yeah. Wow, that's expensive taho. Well, it's in Boracay. Hapunan, so hapunan kami. Jollibee.
They
Siyempre,
this
spaghetti.
past
Filipino
Tuesday,
style spaghetti, tapos gravy, tapos
it's
may
my
kanin.
ST day.
Tsaka apple juice.
It's US.
Kain tayo. Kain tayo. So, yun na nga. You guys remember na we bought a new van, Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. So, kanina, we went for lunch, tapos everything was okay. And then, when I got back to the car to pick up something, ayaw magbukas, kahit yung susi. Ayaw magbukas ng kotse. So, naisip ko, baka sira yung key fob ko. E di, pumunta ako sa kotse, tinry kong buksan, bumukas siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi to nag-lock. So, tinry kong mag-start. Ayaw mag-start. Ay, nako, walang power. Wala talaga. Talagang patay yung, yung battery. So, ang ginawa ko, niload namin sa tow truck, tapos dinala sa dealership. Tapos binaba ko sa dealership, ang lakas ng ulan, ang lamig.
It was raining.
So, it was raining really hard.
When?
Kanina! Kanina, ate, basang-basa ako.
Okay.
Basang-basang sisiw. Diyos ko. E di yun, ang lamig, pero nagiinit na yung ulo ko. So, binaba ko sa dealership yung van, dinrap ko din yung susi. Another good thing is I know the sales manager sa Chrysler, so I asked him, I called him, said my problem was, and then he said, drop it off at the dealership, we'll fix it for you, and ask for this guy so he can give you a loaner car. So pumunta ako, buti naman, mabait sila, binigyan nila ako ng loaner car. So we're driving right now a Jeep Cherokee, so kailangan ko i-transfer lahat ng nasa van papunta dun sa loaner car. Ito, nagpapakalma na ngayon.
At the van.
Nagpapakalma ng init ng ulo. Bago-bago ng kotse, sira agad. Pero lang kasi under naman siya ng warranty. So, wala akong babayaran. So, okay naman siya. Sana matapos, sana maayos agad bukas para makuha namin agad yung kotse. So, yeah. Yun ang kwento ngayong araw na to. Whew! Wala pa rin tatalo sa Jollibee. Mga ma'am sir. Mga ma'am sir. Ito talaga ang pinakamasarap.
Sure, Mike.
Sure, Mike. So, ito muna yung gamit namin for today. Parang loaner car. Kasi nasira nga yung van, di ba? So, ito muna yung pinagamit ng Chrysler sa akin. Ito ay Jeep Cherokee. Yung maliit na version ng Grand Cherokee nila. Ayos naman. Pero mas maganda pa rin yung van kasi mas maraming space. So yun nga, nakuha na yung van sa wakas. Naayos sa dealer. Tapos itong blue, sasoli ko na. Kasi tapos na yung yung repair. Ito na yung aming wow, Chrysler family. Ito, nung like long time ago, I wanted one of these, yo. It's like a Jeep Cherokee. Jeep Cherokee. Jeep Wrangler. Tapos lalagyan ng ng pang off-road na tires. Astig to, oh. Electric to, eh. Ito, astig. Jeep Wrangler. Whew, mahal. Wag na.
Whoa! How far along are you?
It's only very early, like 6, 7 weeks. So it's in September, maybe.
Well, I the same birthday as me.
If it's
Or us,
not that far, but if it's September, like if it's a scheduled C-section, it doesn't go until 40. Right? You get scheduled like around 36.
Yeah.
So it's either like the end of August, like the last week.
Ate, baka hindi na makakasama mo. Magiging 5 months na ano?
You're pregnant? I knew it.
Yeah.
Hearing about video and I'm like, something's fishy.
It would be,
Oh, you can still travel.
Yeah, we did it.
Early April though.
Yeah.
It's already showing because it's already. Yeah, now it's showing. You already were.
That's why she said like 90% we can make it. Napaibig ako bigla eh. Oo, sabi ko.
mas close sa sa hagdan. Pregnant.
Bagal mo. Kids are watching bull riding. Look at that. Ooh. Oh no, his leg got caught. I'm so amazed. Abby, ooh, ouch. You guys are too funny. I know that hurts. For sure that hurts. They're really enjoying it.